Welcome back to our channel, guys. I hope you all are having a wonderful time here and you're liking our content. If yes, then please consider subscribing to the channel and do share your feedbacks in the comments below, how you're liking it and what do you expect to see next. So today's video is about the Chor Bazaar, the famous Chor Bazaar of Daryaganj, and now we are exploring it in Bikaner House. So let me give you a brief details about the same. So this reputable establishment has a loyal local following in Daryaganj, owing to the fine quality of Indian fare that has stayed consistent over the years, which is its strongest point. Now, it opens its door in Bikaner House, which scores top points for its decor that spells old world charm and wonderfully delicious cuisine to match, accented by impeccable service. Bikaner House is easily locatable and it has ample parking space. I advise you to book the table in advance because most of the time all the tables are booked, so you do not have to wait for your turn when you come here. The ambience is really quirky with vibes of vintage and colonial decorations. They keep playing the old Bollywood music in the background, which really adds to the mood. In my opinion, the Chor Bazaar restaurants offers you everything that makes you feel royal. It's now time to taste the food. So I started with shikanjivi. Since it's a very hot afternoon, I need to have something refreshing before our food arrives. Here comes our food. I think now you can guess what we have ordered. We have mirchi ka salan, burani raita and kachumbar salad. Without these, our sub-stamp biryani would have been incomplete. So let's start digging. I'm gonna start with this mirchi ka salan and burani raita with some kachumbar salad. Mmm. So the biryani is full of vegetables and they are perfectly cooked and the aroma is so good. I asked for some onion salad as well and they got me three different kinds of it. Really love it. Now it's time for the desserts. So we ordered tandoori pineapple with cinnamon vanilla ice cream. This was the first time I was having something like this. So let's see how it tastes. So it became a task to cut these pineapples. I think it's gonna take some hard work. Okay. So it's kind of a different flavor. It's bitter tangy and some sweet, and the caramelized sugar over it is making it taste very different. But I really liked it. That's quite a burst of flavors. Time for another dessert. It's Kashmiri firni topped up with some almond flakes and saffron. And I was told that it was Kashmiri saffron. Mmm, it's delicious. I really like the taste. Must have if you're coming here. So that's it for today's video. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you next time.